150 euros. This one from Italy, 100 euros. A lot cheaper than the original one. 130 euros. Yes. So another day, another delivering of parts, and we go to look at some more of them, small and big. Small one I have already opened it. This is Germany. Foot packs, lowering part. I think it's steel, yes, or is it inox? I don't know. Let's see. This one, I already think that is side plastics or tank cover or something like that. Yes. Oh, it's very nice. I was wrong. This is the main console holder. We have this one, this part, two of them, left and right. So nothing done until now. Don't want to do, just some parts missing, and don't like to disassemble the bike because I don't know, it will take a bit of time, I think, to find all the main parts, like fork I already have, then front rim. It's, I don't know, not expected that it's so expensive, because in one piece it costs about 800 euros, 800, 900. Maybe I order just this outer part, just this wheel, the main rim aluminum, and then do the job by myself. I don't know, just at the time I think about this, or I like to spend more money and save the time, or I like to spend a little bit of time and spend more money. So we will see. But until now, I think save some good money, about 50%. Then I will do the job by myself. So it will cost around maybe 300, 400 euros to make the complete wheel. Then it's okay. this one. We have these two plastics, cost about 129 euros with shipping, so about 50 euros each side. This cost about 20 euros plus 5 euros for shipping. This is like this. I think couple of centimeters lowering part, little bit lower and a little bit back. Because I am 1.85 meters tall, I thought that it's a good idea to buy already foot peg holders like this, because I have on the right side of the bike is one foot peg already smashed or bent or ripped or whatever else, so I have now modified holders. We will see, but I don't think that is inox. I think it's probably some steel, but it's coated. Oh, we will see. Cost not so much, then we can try such things. Yesterday I bought this cooler. This is not original, but it's also good. I think it's made in Poland somewhere. But it's a lot cheaper than the original one. I think it's worth the experiment to use this one. Cost 130 euros, and I think it's 3 times cheaper than the original one. So it's okay for me. I take it. We will see how it works. I think it's quite okay made. Looks okay. Approve it. these two parts come from Hungary. This one from Italy, Acerbis. This one cost 150 euros. And handlebar I bought for 100 euros. It's a special one because it's black. It's for rally edition bike. So when you have simple Tenere, it's white. This one I like. How it looks, because it looks like by Paul Tares on the bike that he competes on the Africa Eco Race. Cool. In past couple of days I collected more parts from the bike, and let me show you what I have. I have one side plastic from England. This is from Yamaha dealer in Lithuania. Some parts from my friend we traded. I gave him the saddlebags and he gave me some parts, and this bought used, cost me around 400 euros, all these parts. I have already ordered the new rim with the spokes. I have bought some fender. I have original pipe, new, never used, because all people changing the exhaust system to the Akropovich or something else, because this is so silent. I have some levers, and here I have some guards. They are used, but still good. Handlebar mount. Then we have this piece of frame around the engine. Then I have custom lights, and of course the main part, and expensive. When you buy the new, they cost around between 150 and 200 euros per one piece. So I bought this for 150, both of them. Then I have these, also are new, original. Of course, change it to some other pieces that are custom. they are not so strong. And I have original lights from Tenere. I don't know, they are big. So I don't know, or I will use them. So many parts. Some parts I don't have, but I already ordered it. They coming. Just like you know, that is Christmas time, and the packages going very slowly around the world because of the traffic. Just what you see here, it cost me some around 600-700 euros. So it's not so big money, because of when you order all new parts, then it's very expensive. Next job with the bike, it will be spoke the wheel and drew them. And then I like to check the geometry of my front fork. So it will be decided by these measurements, and when it's okay, then I will start to build up the bike, and in a couple of weeks I think we will have some pictures, videos of building the bike, and slowly but we going forward every minute. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Ciao.